ومن أحسن قولا ممن دعا إلى الله.
Why did the planes crash into the tower?
I don't know.
You know what?
Why?
Because the people that were on those planes that hijacked the plane felt the way you do right now, that everybody in that plane was guilty.
Really?
Guilty. They worked for the system.
Let me ask you
They worked
something.
for
Did you
the
talk
system.
with them?
I know that.
How do you know that for a fact?
Because I know that for a fact.
Did you talk to them?
Yeah,
Were you involved in it?
We're infidels. We're guilty.
They say I'm not asking you a question.
Your Quran
Show
says
me.
everybody's an infidel.
Show me.
Everybody is
Show me.
on that plane, and that's
Show
why
me.
they died.
Show me.
That's why they died.
Quran is right here. Can you show me?
Please show me. You should know.
Because the Quran doesn't say that.
Everybody's still
Quran
The
doesn't say
biggest
that.
Muslim country is Indonesia. Not a single war, not a single fight in Indonesia, right?
It was conquered.
Indonesia was conquered?
All,
Let me ask.
invading
Indonesia?
Indonesia.
You know, I hate to say this, but you're wrong. It was more through trade. Today, the biggest Muslim country is Indonesia. Not a single war, not a single fight.
Why did the Muslims always blow up airplanes?
Good question.
Yeah.
So,
I mean, is it religious or is it?
You want me to answer it or?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So I'm a frequent flyer too,
Yeah.
and many planes have been been hijacked and blown up by other than Muslims. So it's not really something you can say it's always Muslims, right? That's kind of a racist, stereotypical, prejudiced statement to make. Terrorism is not tied to any religion. There were Zionist terrorists before the state of Israel was made that blew up.
The media make it look that way.
There you go. There's your answer. The media makes it look that way.
What Islam has done to my country.
You're a hater then.
No, yeah, I hate that
You're a hater.
ideology.
Yeah.
You know ISIS?
Is it? Yeah, I know ISIS.
kills
Who
people.
created ISIS?
You did.
Who created? I did?
You, this
I
ideology.
did? I did? Was there an ISIS before the US invasion of Iraq? Was there?
Yes, it was called
You're an idiot.
Al-Qaeda.
You are an idiot, sir.
I'm an idiot.
I'm sorry. Go read a book and then come back.
Yeah,
There was
ISIS.
no ISIS.
Do you say
Al-Qaeda
equivalent of
separate
ISIS,
rules.
any other religion
Al-Qaeda.
other than
Okay.
Islam?
Was there Al-Qaeda before
Okay.
the US
Do not
funded
bring
them
back-
to
do
fight
not bring
in
back my- bring
Afghanistan?
back
نحن جند الله دوما درب